Hello everybody, I'm Mert, and in this video I'm going to talk about open source chat. Open source chat is a hackathon project for the Pinecone hackathon, and it helps for your documentation search journey. And in the table of contents I will talk about story architecture, and I will show demo, and I will talk about a little bit more about the feature of open source chat. Let's start with story. So we as a developers understand the importance of the documentations, but as you know, most of the time with lengthy documents and complex hierarchies, it's so hard to find the right information. But thanks to LLM powered open source chat or application, you can get precise answers with instant time. We are saying goodbye to the frustration of endless search and hello to the power of open source knowledge. As you can see in our backend, we are using OpenAI API and LangChain because we are creating LLM chain from LangChain, and we are using Pinecone for the vector database, and of course Streamlit for the UI. As you can see in our architecture, we are taking documentation files and turning into a document with LangChain, and then we are getting embeddings thanks to OpenAI and turning those embeddings into a vector database and uploading to Pinecone. That was the first part. In the second part, the user comes to our website and asking questions about related open source documentation, and those questions turns into embeddings, and then thanks to semantic search from the knowledge base, we are getting ranked documents, and with the LLM, we are generating AI result and turning back to our user. Let's jump into a demo. As you can see in our Streamlit UI, in the sidebar you can process all of the files with just one click, but now we are only supporting dvc.org, and as you can see, we already created the index for the database, for the Pinecone database, and it skipped the text embedding. You can ask question directly. So what is DVC? How can I install DVC with Brave? Because most of the users are using Brave to install DVC. Okay, it just gives the related information about what is DVC, and as you can see, it gives the code about how to install DVC with Brave. Okay, how can I set up DVC in my ML project? Give me the code. As you know, with right prompt engineering, you can get all of those answers. Okay, as you can see in here, it just gives all of the codes how to install DVC. First you have to install DVC and initialize DVC project, and then you have to add data file to your DVC, and you know the other commands for reproducing pipeline and pushing data to our artifacts. And that's it. Let's move back to presentation for the future roadmap. In our future roadmap, we want to support more open source packages for more open source documentation websites, and we want to build a comprehensive platform for diverse tools and diverse open source packages. And we also want to increase the index numbers to get a better results, get a quick and accurate informations, and we want to improve our intelligent routing for the customized content for users. And thanks for listening to me. As you know, I am Mert. The other team members are Grace and Hero, and that's it. Chat with dogs.online.